Ta-da! So finally, this video will be the final revelation of the whole living room. So we're going to open this manual blinds. It has double-sided opening from the center, and I chose two-toned shades, natural beige and natural gray. So commonly and normally you only have one color, and if you want to have two colors, usually people tend to have an alternate shade, which is, I just find it looks like checkered or more stripes, and I thought to have two shades in each gap alternate, so it will look more sleek and modern. So let's open it. And by the way, you can also open it like this. Ta-da! And yeah, if you need a little bit of light, not too much light and not too dark, you can have this. It's a side parallel opening, and you can close this, but we're going to open. So yeah, this is the double-sided opening from the center. So the whole living room. Finally, the Monterey couch, 3 blocks and a footrest. Well, supposedly it will be letter L, but it's better to have just a long straight, so it will elongate the space. It is in natural beige color, and we have finally, I already arranged the Himalayan center table in the living room with removable glass on top. I specifically designed this to have this 3 inches hollow inside. It has the real white stones together with a real succulent, just to make it more sleek and modern, yet it's beautiful, and it just have this bohemian vibe and nature energy. And you can remove this glass. I prefer to remove this glass when you clean, so it's easy to clean. A geometrical classic main living room carpet, and I just put the 5 statement mirror with its bohemian circular design and just a smaller antique brass gold mirror accent and a geometrical mirror on the middle. And I personally painted the wall with a bohemian brass gold leaf, just to make it a bohemian vibe and more nature in the living room, because the aim is to have this fresh and airy feeling in the living room, because it's where you relax, rest and reflect, and it just feels so cozy. And I also painted the leafy spade plant over there with a tapping technique painting. So I also attached the video or clips how I did it, and a little bit of bright neon green, so it will lit up the space. Very wide L couch is Monterey couch. It just feels so nice, and it doesn't feel like the space is small, because it is small, but it's if I remember correctly, it's 100 centimeter wide and 180. I'm not sure, but I'll check, because I literally chose the fabric in Panna fabric. It's a velvety smooth touch, and also the design to match the room, but it was like a couple of months ago, and I have my portfolio, so I compiled everything digitally and hard copies as well. But of course I can't memorize, or it's inevitable to forget specifically the exact measurements. And of course the living room and the balcony should be nature feeling and just feel fresh and cozy and airy and light. I attach an artificial leafy on a balcony, on the fence, and artificial grass on the floor, and in the wall side as well, but it's not finished. And my excess white real stones on the center table, I put it over there just to spread it and not to waste it, and it just looks pretty. And there will be a mosaic patio bistro balcony set table, like two seating cafe moments, or if you want to dine out in the balcony, I mean just to eat together in the balcony, it would be so pretty, cozy, and just looks romantic. And this area here is artistry lounge or an art desk, but you can also use it as your office, or it is your computer desk, computer zone table, or your office zone. So it doesn't matter, it's up to anyone else, it's up to you. So I prefer to have this in art desk, art area, because it's next to the window, so I can get all natural light from the outside, because it needs, and it's perfect if you're into painting, drawing, or any art crafts. It's best if you get a natural light, but also it dries quickly if you're painting something outside. It's just next to the door. And these are all the art crafts at the moment. It's not finished yet, because I'm gonna put this and mount this on my mini museum division on the shelves area as a backdrop of dining, but it's not finished yet. So similar to the bedroom computer desk or office desk or art desk, is where all your works or your planning or your whatever you want to do, edit and content creation table, it's in the bedroom. But it can be switched, it can be reversed. It's just table, it's just desk, right? Same feature and same sign of this art chair or office chair, or it's a rotatable 380 degrees, and it's so smooth, it's so comfy and cozy and so soft. It's also the same fabric. The living room couch, the dining chair, the cloud bed frame and headrest from the bedroom, and from the storage seating in the bedroom as well, and the computer chair or office chair, working chair, art chair. And this is the same fabric panel with its velvety feeling, soft touch. It just adds this luxurious vibe, and gorgeous and customized and personalized by me. And ask and request and show your designs to factory, and they will make it for you. Functionality, and you have this 4 easy pulling drawers, but I use this artistry lounge, this area. But like I said, you can use this as a computer, or just swap if you want to work here in this living room with a natural light, or you want to work in the bedroom, because I have touch light mirror there if you have a video call, or you're going to edit some contents and videos, or record or broadcasting yourself. It has more light. I have my ring light there, and the mounted smart light touch mirrors if you need a specific light on your laptop, on your phone. And of course, I think I attached a video about me sticking the artificial grass and accent edge of this living room, because the aim is to have this nature bohemian area, elevated the living room, and just fresh to live at. And just the natural amber wood as a panel edging, it just looks so modern and nice. So stay tuned. And next will be the main living room with a statement main TV rack and a smart QLED Samsung Smart TV. I'll show you. So in the living room, this is one of the main statement in the living room, the TV rack. I personally sketched this from the scratch, and this is my own design. And all the measurements also I did it from the scratch. Like even the shades, the texture, the finishing is all my design, of course. You have from the shades, from the finishing, from the type of texture, is personalized and customized by me. And of course, I can't build this, so you have to go to the factory and show your designs. It explains what the finishing you want, the shades, the measurements. I literally like check reviews and measured like a minimum a dozen times because I want it perfect. I'm kind of perfectionist if it is my own drawing or sketch or my design, right? And so it is very easy, like 4 storages, and I specifically created this. It's just like a slim narrow storage with 3 shelves levels for documents, like long folders, and it just very organized. And of course, this is the display area if you want to display whatever decoratives or gray edge marble like back panel of the TV, glossy justice. And but one of the main feature of this designed, customized or personalized TV rack, because this living room, so it should be a statement, right? So this back panel of the TV has motion sensor of LED strip. Ta-da! It's in the back panel, and I personalized this as well. And not just that, it's really perfect for mood setting, ambience, or cozy, relaxing, or intimate or romantic movie time. And not just that, also here, it's a motion sensor light as well, so you just touch that. No, not touch. I mean, you just wave a little and it just looks so perfect. Also, you have a storage here as well, medicine storage or vitamin storage. This area will be the emergency. When you want to switch it off, just switch it off, just a little bit of motion, light motion sensor, same as in the back panel. Also same here, just a motion. Have really good statement TV as well. It is a 55-inch of latest model of QLED Samsung Smart TV, which is really slim, and I chose the most slim or slimmest TV supporter from the back panel, so literally like a flat, not because most of the panel cannot hold literally slim. That's almost like a paper thin if the structure of the panel is not that good. But this is a very carefully curated or thoughtfully curated. So slick, so slim, and modern, sleek, elegant, and this airy, naturey, elevated, fresh, yet so functional. Show the whole living room again with the lights on, with the living room lights, the TV panel rack, and by the way, all the main living room light, the bedroom, the kitchen, the dining room are all smart switches. It is optional for you to manually switch the lights on or just through phone. It is through phone. It can be connected to Wi-Fi or Alexa or Google Play. So what it looks like when all the lights are on in the living room. Ta-da! This side is going to the bedroom. It has a sliding door. Entrance to the bedroom and to the bedroom's main bathroom. Well, it's just only one bathroom, but yes, it's more privacy. So this goes to the bedroom. It's also glass. So to the bedroom and to the bathroom. And also I have a bedroom, a starlight passage light, just to have a light when you go this way or need something from this area, because it has storage as well. And also I already uploaded a video, the revelation of the bedroom during daylight and nightlight, what it looks like, and all the revelations also from the bathroom. So stay tuned. Area will be the like sitting or waiting area, and I'm gonna put a sitting storage here where you can sit down and take off your shoes or put on your shoes, your boots, and whatever footwear, while the storage sitting has its own storage, so you can put stuff in there. I just have this mounted slick hook for like hat or sunglasses, and obviously this is for keys, your apartment keys or any keys. I just find this very cute to have this giant key hook with 4 hooks, and you can put keys on the key. It's just so cute.